What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Glenn, aka CJ, and welcome to the Whips and Wheelies channel's first motovlog. Hope you all enjoy this video. Make sure that you hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, and share the video. Help us out. Show us some love. Got our neighbors over there putting up the American flag. You know, we're all about America here on the Whips and Wheelies channel. And we're heading to a meet right now. Heading to a car meet, actually. Trying to get to our 100 subscribers goal. We got the Buell 1125R here, a little bit of American V-twin power. So all the haters that want to say it's not, whatever. But anywho, let's get to it. Cold startup on a Buell 1125R. Not too bad if you ask me. Let's send it. Unfortunately, D-mann will not be in this video unless he randomly shows up to the meet, which would be sick. Obviously, you guys know he's got that C8 Corvette. Love that thing. Taking through a small little twisty section over here in the woods. Yes, I am an amateur motorcycle rider. Not really. I have to, guys, go ahead and get done watching this video. Make sure you tell me what you think. Tell us what you think and how we can make the videos better for you guys. I know upload a little bit more often will be nice, and you know, with summer coming and all, it will be. But the season's just getting started. I'll give a couple shout outs, see if they get on the channel. Brian636, Dank Wheelie, Walterific, the Stradman, Burlacker, DDE, Daily Driven Exotics. I love you guys. You guys are great. Hope y'all are all good up there in Canada. Boy, did I pick a horrible exit to get off of. Man, what do we got here? Nurse car, I dig that. But back to the shout outs. Daily Driven Exotics, man, you guys are killing it. Like I said, hope you all are solid up there. You guys are getting some incredible content for the car community in these crazy times. Life of Paulos, where are you at, man? You're not going to shout me out. I'm going to shout you out first. Wife Apollos, I love your videos, man. Congrats on the 200,000 plus subscribers. What a beautiful day, for real. It's Chicago, baby. I don't care that I'm in the suburbs. I'm calling it Chicago. Listen to that feedback in that bike. I love this thing, man. I love it. Maybe it's around here somewhere. What up, buddy? What is this?
What do you say?
Oh, I don't know. I just pulled up myself. Got the Black Widow out, street speed. Holler at you, boy. We see you on the channel. It's not a diesel, but it's a V8, baby. That's what we like on the WhipsNWheelies channel. We like speed. Turn on. Alright guys, we're back on here. Looks like spot number 2 is happening. Going to undisclosed location number 2. Honestly, the first spot was chill as the first spot was very chill, I should say, pardon my language. Dennis, help me out, bro. But yeah. Hanging out. This is insane.
There we go.
Shout out to my boy Carl over here. Good times, man. A lot of awesome cars here. Got the SRT. What's up, guys?
What's up, bro?
All kinds of stuff, man.
Is that going on YouTube? What's your channel?
Whips and Wheelies, all one word.
Bet.
Whips and Wheelies.
I'll sub to you.
Appreciate it, man. Yes, sir. That's my boy. I'm waiting for our photographer to get a picture with all of us in it, but. All right, we're at the next spot, and lo and behold, we got a surprise. Anytime you see this car, man, it blows you away. So I got some information. I'm not sure if I want to let the cat out of the bag yet. So, hey man,
I've been putting it up on my story every time we go to the
do you think we should let the cat out of the bag yet, or what?
For what?
What do you mean for what?
I already told them. Too late.
You told who?
I told these guys.
That's classified information. We can't be telling everybody about this already. All right. What do we do?
What do we do? What I do?
Oh, okay. What did you do?
You didn't do shit.
We're gonna be one of the first ones, if not the first one, to have those scissor doors on the C8. So, if you want to keep up with the content, make sure you follow, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell.
Actually, I think I want to know. Gotta start somewhere.
All right, guys, I'm back. I don't really have too much room left on my memory card, but hey, new guy error, you know what I mean? So had a good time. Appreciate all you guys that subscribed and checked out the car, and make sure you follow us on our Instagram too. Same thing, Whips and Wheelies, same as the YouTube. But got the Buell 1125R and the C8
Black Widow.
the Black Widow. Wait till you guys check that thing out. It's gonna be sick. But like I said, scissor doors on the C8 coming in near you. Shout out Icon Motorsports. What do you think? Shout out to Icon Motorsports. We appreciate you. We'll see you guys on the flip side. Be safe and take it easy. Peace.